Welcome. This is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support, and this is video 6, where we're talking about the butt-welded elbow fitting. And the customer's issue we'll describe on this next page. So pause the video if you want to read that. Alright, so we just made a modification to the model parameters in the previous video. We edited these parameters. We discovered that we could set the CTOE equal to D1 or D2. Wouldn't have mattered. And that is going to essentially convert our thing to a short radius elbow, that alone. The next step we need to do, don't click the save button. Otherwise it's going to overwrite the long radius elbow family. We want to go here and say save as. Alright, so we're going to save it not under the cast iron, we're going to save it in the steel, butt welded. We're going to change this to say short radius elbow new. Now, you're not done. So part name needs to match the part description. It's actually the part description that's being used in the fitting add dialog. So if you want to be able to find this, you'll see two long radius elbows in there if you fail to change the name here, and you won't know which one's which. So we got to change both those. Alright, so we've done that. We're good here. We don't need the custom size flag because we've got both 90 and 45. I'm not sure that this is going to work outside of 90 and 45 degrees. It's the reason we have this custom sizing flag turned off. So let's exit and go insert the part. Alright, so let's start our pipe. I'm going to add a pipe. We're going to change the fitting setting to use our new SR elbow. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a pipe and draw it at a 45-degree angle. And look at that. I think that may have done it. So if we take this and move it down here, well, it certainly helped. It hasn't fixed our part. Alright, I think I know what's going on. So let's draw a 90-degree elbow. Start our pipe command again. Make sure that we're using the fitting setting. Change that back to the new one. Let's draw a quick 90-degree elbow right next to this. Alright, so the 90-degree works when we convert the long radius to the short radius using that method. So basically we've converted it for the 90-degree angle. We just need to go back and figure out how the values for the 45-degree elbow. We may have to do that in the next video, but we'll go back to the Manage tab, go to Content Builder. We're going to edit our new one, and we're going to have to go into the size parameters here. We're going to have to fix this back to set that to not be equal to D1